In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an email campaign using Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a popular email marketing service that allows you to easily connect with your audience through engaging campaigns. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with confidence. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't created one already, you can sign up on their website. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard where all the magic begins. Look for the Create Campaign button wisely placed at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and select Email from the drop-down menu. This will be our starting point as we embark on creating a new email campaign. With the email campaign option selected, it's time to choose your audience. Mailchimp makes it incredibly easy by allowing you to select from existing lists. If you're launching a campaign to a broader audience or a specific segment, ensure you have your contacts organized. Taking the time to carefully select your audience will allow you to craft a message that resonates well with your recipients. After selecting your audience, the next step is to choose an email template that aligns with your campaign's goals and aesthetics. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates ranging from simple to more elaborate designs. Think about how you want your email to look and feel. Do you want something minimalist, or are you going for something vivid and vibrant? Choose a template that captures your brand's essence. Remember, first impressions matter, so make sure the layout reflects your message. Now comes the creative part, adding your content and design. This is where you fill in your template with your campaign message. Be clear and concise with your text, and ensure it captivates your audience's attention. Visuals like images and graphics can add a dynamic layer to your email, so don't hesitate to incorporate them where necessary. This is also the stage where your brand's voice and identity shine through, so let your creativity lead the way. Once your content is in place, it's important to insert links, buttons, and images that guide your audience towards the desired action, whether it's visiting your website or making a purchase. Ensure all links are working correctly and are directing users to the right pages. This helps create a seamless experience for your readers and enhances your campaign's effectiveness. Before sending your masterpiece out into the world, take advantage of Mailchimp's preview and testing features. This is your opportunity to double-check everything from the content and links to the overall design. Send a test email to yourself and any team members for feedback. This extra step can reveal errors you might have overlooked and help ensure that your email looks perfect across different devices and platforms. Finally, once you're confident everything is set, you have two options.